one of the main practices that Grandmaster Lee taught was the 8 brocades, or the Ba Dua Jin, 8 brocade or 8 healing exercises. And this is an old Qi Gong, very powerful Qi Gong set. And there are many beautiful forms of it. Some are very somewhat simplified, and some are very dynamic. This is a very dynamic set, and this is now known as Fire Flower Qi Gong. And that was what my teacher took from Grandmaster Lee and adapted it into this arrangement, including particular breathing patterns, and it's gone through several iterations. And so, but the overall idea is a full body tune-up, full energy tune-up, mental, emotional body tune-up, spiritual connection, higher consciousness, all that stuff, bringing you into your body and empowering you and your energy and your breath. So it is my go-to set system, being very dynamic. You know, there are times if we're nursing ourselves or recovering for something, or we're already in some form of distress, or we're fatigued, then I would choose something like the 18 mudra system of Qigong, unlocking the healing powers of your hands. I might do the 12 Dhammo palms. I might do something more supple and subtle and gentle. But it's like taking your car to the shop every day, you know, or a few times a week when you do this set. So you're getting a full body tune-up, physical body tune-up, internal massage of the organs through the stretches and the compressions and expansions, cardiovascular workout, lymphatic circulation, and immunity boost. You're getting great blood and Qi circulation, and there's just a few of the great benefits of this set. And so when we go through that practice, independently, each 8 exercise is in of itself a complete form and has its properties and benefits. But as a set, it takes you through this range of body movement, begins to restore and calibrate how you were designed to be, how you were designed to move, and it's always relative to the body we're born in and the body we're in now. And again, we always want to take that gentle and smooth and build up over time. But as we go into these postures and these movements, in terms of your myofascial network and your body and your nervous system and your brain and all that good stuff, it begins to recalibrate. Oh, I could do this. I know how to do that. And it reestablishes health and balance and Qi circulation and all that other good stuff. So to me, it's just such a beautiful, beautiful creation and form. And I'm so grateful of my teacher and his teacher and all that came before, and how I can be of service to you now. So with the Fire Flower system of Qigong, you're looking at calibrating the energy body. So as the energy shifts, the physical health in the body also shifts. And then we become conditioned to hold or move more energy. Our frequency, our energy expands, our body calibrates. Our consciousness, our mental states and emotional states adjust. We become more balanced, and we begin to release old traumas and emotional energy charges and all that kind of stuff. So it's this incremental adjustment, and each time we do it, it basically helps us reset to our truest blueprint. Right? It helps our genetics and DNA and our cellular activity, and it gives us the energy pattern that supports the regrowth, regeneration, replenishing, and rejuvenation of our physical form, and it brings us home into the body. So this is where we came to be. You go to space, you get a spaceship and a spacesuit, you have a mission. You come to Earth, you get an Earth suit, and you have a mission, right? So we want to be here so we can be here, right, and share. So Fire Flower System of Qigong is a very powerful way to do that. And just like anything else, you want to take it slow and easy, to let yourself grow with it without forcing it. So, so much I could share, but that's a good start. And I hope you enjoy the practice and look forward to sharing more with you. Peace and love. Namaste.